I'm Anne O'Donnell and I'm the Director of Microbiology here at CLS. The services that we provide at MedPharma are microbiological and analytical testing for the medical device and the pharmaceutical industries since 2009. We do typical batch release testing and process raw material testing. Within the analytical lab at MedPharma, we have a wide range of technologies. So this allows us to do completed testing from pharmacopoeia monograph point of view, but we also can do client-specific testing where they transfer methods into us. We do various cleaning validations that can be for whole-time studies within the pharmaceutical side. On the microbiological side, we provide sampling as well as the testing. We do the TBCs or the endotoxin testing. And we do a lot of product release testing, batch release testing. We're actually quite good with time-sensitive sampling too. For the clean room testing that we do, we're in a niche area where we can actually supply the sampling as well as the testing. We can set up a protocol, we can go in and do the sampling, samples are brought back, incubated, and we generate a report. The micro division would be quite heavily involved in experimental design and pre-market studies on behalf of our clients. This is where they would subcontract out the R&D element to evaluate to see is it suitable. We've been doing hundreds of these over the past few years. One that comes to mind would be a concept of a pneumophyll liner to prevent cancer cells transferring during keyhole surgery. We completed the validation on this and we actually got a published recognition by the FDA for this. So we're awful proud to be involved as part of that.